Over the past several months, gold has remained one of the strongest performing assets. Prices have reached above $3,300 an ounce and continue to show strength. While there are always short-term fluctuations, several larger trends are pushing gold into the spotlight, not just as a safe haven, but as a core part of many investors' portfolios. Here are 5 reasons why gold is gaining strength during Trump's second term. 1. Central banks are buying more gold. Governments around the world are increasing their gold reserves. This includes large, influential economies like China and India. When central banks buy gold, it's usually because they want to reduce their reliance on the US dollar. In uncertain times, gold is seen as a stable store of value. The more gold they buy, the more demand there is, which supports higher prices. 2. The world is moving away from the US dollar. More and more countries are reducing their use of the US dollar in trade and finance. This is known as de-dollarization. It's happening faster now because of Trump's trade policies and tariffs, which have made international trade more difficult. As countries look for alternatives to the dollar, gold becomes an attractive option. It's seen as neutral and reliable. 3. America's financial health is in question. The US government is running large budget deficits. At the same time, long-term programs like Social Security are becoming more expensive. Credit rating agencies have downgraded the US government's creditworthiness. All of this creates concern about how sustainable the US financial system is. When confidence in government finances weakens, gold often becomes more appealing as a long-term investment. 4. Investors are buying gold through ETFs. Exchange-traded funds make it easier for everyday investors to buy and sell gold without holding the physical metal. In the first half of the year, investors put tens of billions of dollars into gold ETFs, one of the strongest showings since 2020. That level of demand shows that both large institutions and individuals are looking to gold as a key part of their investment strategies. 5. Gold prices are holding strong technically even with ups and downs in the market. Gold has stayed above important price levels. Technical traders, those who focus on charts and price behavior, see this as a sign that gold has strong support. This makes it more likely that prices could rise further if market uncertainty continues. What this means going forward. Gold is no longer just a short-term hedge during crises. It's becoming a long-term asset that investors, governments, and institutions are treating with more seriousness. With ongoing concerns about inflation, government debt, and global instability, many are turning to gold not as a backup plan, but as a central part of how they protect and grow their wealth. If these trends continue, we may be entering a new era where gold takes on a much bigger role in the global financial system. For new traders and investors, it's a good time to understand why gold matters and how it might fit into a modern investment strategy. If you have found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons and hit the bell icon to be alerted whenever we publish new content. You'll find much more trading-related content at thebarcelonatrader.com. Thanks for tuning in.